Hi, I'm Miss Mahoney, and this is Open House 2021 Virtual Edition. And I'm here to talk to you about my academic lab. So a little bit about me. This is my 4th year at Inglemoor High School. I previously worked in the Renton School District, and this is my 14th year in the field of special education. I actually took a break from teaching last year because I had a baby in May of 2020. And so I had already planned on taking the whole year off before the pandemic hit. And it was just really fortunate timing. So here's a picture of us at his first birthday last May. A little more about me. I grew up in the Seattle area, and I did Running Start when I was in high school. I have attended several different schools in the area. I went to community college during Running Start, and then I transferred to the University of Washington, where I got my bachelor's degree and actually met my now husband. And then I completed my graduate program also through the University of Washington, but through a distance program while I was working full-time. And then more recently, I got my teaching certificate through City University. So I didn't come right out of undergraduate as a teacher, but I've always worked with kids in some capacity. And before I was a teacher, I worked as a behavior analyst and really enjoy working with students in special education. Here are a few photos. My dog, Pearl, and then of my husband and son. And we've spent a lot of time together over the past year. So we've grown really close, and I miss seeing everyone when I'm at work, but it's been really nice being back, seeing students, connecting with families and colleagues. So I'm really happy to be here. My mission for students in my academic lab is to help them develop lifelong skills and habits to become productive young adults. So most of my students, most of your kids are upperclassmen, have several seniors and a few juniors, and then I have a few freshmen. So it's going to be a fun year, I think, and it'll be interesting to see how everybody kind of mixes together, and I'm hopeful that some of the older students can share some wisdom with the younger students, and that sort of thing. It's fun to see that progress. I teach a math class specifically for students in special education. It's called 2-Year Algebra 1. And then I teach academic lab. I'm only working part-time this year. So other years I've also supported general education, geometry, and algebra, but I won't be doing that in person this year. So the purpose of academic lab is to work on student individual education plan goals, their IEP goals, to give students extra help in academics. Sometimes students might need to finish a test that they didn't have time for, and that accommodation on their IEP allows them to get a little extra time. So students can do that in class if needed. And then I really like them to set goals and explore post-secondary options, especially for the older students. They're going to be graduating soon, which is exciting, but can also be kind of scary. Syllabus overview, very basic. I do require, as I'm sure each teacher does, that students have their one-on-one device. Very important, and I remind them that they can always charge it in my class since it's the end of the school day. We have more than enough plugs in our classroom. And then for grading, it's just pass fail. So 60% is all that's needed to pass. Finally, here's my contact information. So I will be reaching out to each and every one of you as your student's IEP case manager to schedule the annual IEP meeting, but please feel free to contact me at any time. Here's my email address, which is probably the easiest way to get a hold of me. And of course, have your students let me know if you'd like to set up any sort of phone call or meeting. I really look to them as becoming advocates for themselves. So at the high school level, I want them really participating in this IEP process. It's really important. And I look forward to working with all of you this year. Thank you.